Welcome to Carperformance.se. We're going to show you a new USB DAB radio plug-in that's extremely easy and extremely fast. If you don't have DAB radio, this will work. We have tested in Ford with the Sync 3 and GM cars from 2015 and up, and also in all the Rams from 2000 and from all the Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram from 2013 and up, but not the 12-inch screen. Otherwise it will work. So here we have the DAB antenna. It's not always that you need to actually have it in the windshield. It all depends on how good the reception is. So try it first by just plugging it in. So it just comes with one USB. Plug it in to the port, and we're gonna place, we don't have any DAB here at the moment, but the module will search directly. If not, you just press the scan button. It will search for 60 seconds, then you will have the DAB station in your car. You just go on the media, say DAB, and now it's scanning, but we don't have any radio station. After 60 seconds it will find all the station, and you just press next for the next station. It takes 1 to 2 seconds to switch station, so it's really easy and an easy plug and play way to add DAB radio to your car. So there you got it. Thanks.